First, let's look at the immediate aftermath of Hurricane Helene. It's common for property values to initially drop in areas that have been severely affected. This decline can be attributed to several factors, including fear, uncertainty, and the actual physical damage to homes and infrastructure. When homes are damaged or destroyed, the immediate supply of livable properties decreases. However, you would expect that because we've been in this situation for many years now where we haven't had enough homes on the market for people. In fact, in many cases, we can see home prices stabilize and even rise over this time, especially if the area has a strong demand for housing, which of course ours does.